Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing video for you guys. As you can see, I have a pair of shoes inside here. It's a Vans, yeah, it's another Vans, another Vans of the wall shoes for me. As I have before, this the Skate High. I post the video in it, the unboxing of the video. You can check the video in my channel as always. So basically right now, I'm going to do another unboxing videos of these Vans of the wall. I mean, for the most of it, for my entire video before this, I've never unboxing, hype sneakers like everyone does in this YouTube community. I mean, one day I will try to do unboxing sneakers of hype sneakers, hype sneakers out there like Jordans, like Adidas Boost, Ultra Boost, something like that. I just don't have the money yet, to buy those kind of sneakers. But as for now, this will do. Your buying is hype or not, it's just that the shoes you are buying is that the shoes that you like, or the shoes that you want, because shoes or sneakers is something that you gonna wear on your feet. Doesn't matter how does it look or how much you pay for it. What's the matter is that you like it, you love it, and you just want it because you just like how the way it looks and how the way it makes your outfit look better. Yes, that's right. It makes your outfit look better. Just that how you look good in that sneakers. I mean, like if you wear Yeezys or if you wear those hype sneakers in the market right now, if it still look bad, it's still gonna look bad. Doesn't matter how much you pay for it. But if it is looks like, yes, it is sucks. That's it. I mean, like, buy sneakers that you like. Don't buy sneakers because of the hype. Okay, this is most important for me, because if you buy sneakers because of the hype, one day the hype will be gone and you got nothing. Right? You just pay for a sneakers that just hype for a certain time only, and then when the hype is gone, the price of the sneakers will go down, and yeah, in the end you just lost a lot amount of money, because when the hype is there, of course you're gonna pay with a lot of price. The resale price is higher that time, but when the hype is gone, the price is going to be down, and you can pay for the much more cheaper price. So basically, just buy shoes that you like. Don't buy shoes because of the hype. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox this pair of sneakers, Vans of the wall. As you can see, it's not an Vans old school, it's actually Vans era 59. You can see over here. So these shoes actually I bought at London at Oxford Street, Vans of the wall, Vans outlet at Oxford Street, and it is actually on sale. When I bought these shoes, it cost only a very cheaper price, only about like £27 if I'm not mistaken. So, and it is last size actually, last size for my size, last pair for my size, and it's a UK 7.5. It's a little bit smaller for me. I usually wear UK 8, but it's a half size smaller than me, but it still fits perfectly. I've tried these shoes before. Yeah, without further ado, let me show you the shoes. See, it is in a pastel color, as you can see here, pink color. I mean, like, this actually the first time I bought the shoes in a pastel color, a very soft color. It's pink, it's white there, and it has also gum bottom. Yeah, what I like about the shoe is actually just the gum bottom. Actually, I mean, like, the gum bottom just, the gum bottom just make me feel like, oh, the shoes I'm gonna get it when I first saw these shoes. I mean, like, oh, those gum bottom, I need to get it, because it just make me, make my heart beats, like, just looks so plain, but at the same time, I know it's going to it's going to complement my outfit, like, when I wear these shoes, it's going to make my outfit look better. And when the first time I saw these shoes, I already thinking about what outfit can I wear with it, what kind of picture that I can take, that I can post on Instagram, stuff like that. So I just, like, without further thinking, I just take the shoes and I tell the staff, he said like, hey, do you have a 7.5 inch? Yeah man, I'll have for you. I can give you like, sorry sir, and he took it for me, and then yeah, I go ride it, test it, and without further ado, go to cashier and pay for it, £27. So pound, £27 is equivalent to around like 142 ringgit Malaysia. So basically I just paid the shoes for about 142 ringgit Malaysia. With taxes, because they said I can't redeem my tax for the shoes because it's less than £30. I mean, like these shoes have to be more than £30 if I want to redeem the tax. But then because the shoes is just only like £27, I can't redeem the tax. So yeah, but never mind. Like it's just I mean, like without the tax, it's still cheap though. I mean, like with tax, it's still cheap though. 141 ringgit, come on guys, 142 ringgit, come on, it's very cheap. Like I don't know whether you can get this in Malaysia or not, but I have seen this type of shoes, this kind of model in Malaysia, but the paint is replaced with a turquoise color or mint color. I have saw it one in Queens Bay Mall, in Vans outlet in Queens Bay Mall, same like this, gum bottom, white shoelaces, but with mint color. The mint of the shoes is in mint color or turquoise. I can't really remember, but something like that. It's green. Yeah. So basically, this shoes is actually canvas shoes, not leather. Like you can see, it's leather canvas. White shoelaces, white tongue, and gum bottom, which really make the shoes stand out. What make the shoes people want to buy? Why? Because the gum bottom. And yeah, like it's really plain simple shoes. Like there's nothing hype about these shoes, or you know, like wow, like giving the wow factor to others. But for me, yeah, it's really nice because when I buy shoes, I want to make sure that the shoes that I buy is something that I like and something that can fit with my outfits, you know. So yeah, that's why I bought these shoes. Like it's very plain and simple, man. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to show you the on-fit review for these shoes. And yeah, tell me what do you think about these shoes, and do you like it? If you have the chance to buy it, will you buy it? Yeah, lastly I want to ask you, if should I make a video, you know, like what kind of outfits that I can wear with these sneakers or not? Tell me in the comment below, yeah. So yeah, without further ado, let's show you the on-fit review, yeah.